Now in this video I thought I'd share with you going away in the winter time. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now lots of people like to store their caravans away for winter. We however like to use our caravan all year round, and for the last 6 years we've always gone away at New Year. And in fact that was our very first time going away in our caravan, was in the new year to North Norfolk 6 years ago now, and we had a brilliant time, and it's something that we've continued to do year after year. I just think if you wrap up warm, put your wellies and your coat on, get out and enjoy it. And it's a totally different feel caravanning in winter, and it's really nice and cosy. Coming back to the warm caravan, snuggling up with a movie, hot chocolate and just chilling. There are a few things that I do when we do caravan in winter. I always like to put an electric blanket on the bed. In saying that though, I haven't used it this time while we've been in Chatsworth, but I did put it on when we were in Castleton. Particularly if you've not been out in your caravan for a while, it just warms the mattress through and warms it all through, so it's nice and snuggly. And if you are caravanning and it is -2, or you know, you're in the depths of winter, then having the electric blanket on your bed just to take the chill off is definitely recommended. I also like to put on our beds our fleecy duvets, which keep us nice and snuggly and warm as well. But I must admit it is very warm when the heating's on in the caravan, so you can get away without them, but they're just a few things that I do tend to do. As I say, when the heating's on in the caravan, you can get away with just having your normal duvet anyway. I also like to bring an electric airer with us, which I'll put in the porch awning. Having the porch awning in winter is handy, as it does mean that you can put all your muddy boots and everything in there, rather than having it in the doorway of the caravan and you're breaking your neck trying to get in the door. So yes, the electric airer is handy just for drying off your towels in winter. Though I have seen lots of people also buy just the electric towel rails, which you can pick up from Argos and Amazon. And obviously they're probably a bit better for having inside the caravan instead of in an awning outside. If you are caravanning in the winter time, now it can get very, very cold. We've been lucky this December, it's been quite mild, but you can get this jacket for your aqua roll and your pipe. It's just a preventative measure to stop you from freezing. This was just from Amazon. They're pretty reasonable. I have seen people use high-vis jackets and workers' jackets to wrap around their aqua roll to stop it from freezing. Let me know in the comments if you have any tips or hacks for caravanning in winter too. Caravanning in winter, the sites tend to be very quiet, which is really nice. We've been to a few now, and there's not very many caravanners and campers there, but there are some. However, we've stayed this December at Castleton and Chatsworth Caravan and Motorhome Club sites, and they have been packed every single night, which has been lovely to see. So I think more and more people probably are now using their caravans and campers all year round, and why not make the most of it? It does mean that you can explore the Christmas markets or the Christmassy villages, have a drink and retire back to your caravan without the thought of having to get a taxi home. If you are a member of the Caravan and Motorhome Club, don't forget to check your emails. We've had an email come through for 2 free nights. One of the nights is to be used at the beginning of 2026, and it makes it pretty cheap weekend away. I was looking at some sites that we might choose to go to in January, February time, and with the free night stay for a weekend, for a 2-night weekend break, it's probably only going to cost us about £20 or £30 for a pitch and for the weekend, which is really good value and probably just as cheap, if not cheaper, than a CL site would be. If you have any tips for caravanning in the winter time, please do let me know in the comments, or if you have any favourite sites that you like to visit in the winter with your caravan or camper or motorhome, please also let me know, as we always want to explore new places. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it useful, and that you've all had a lovely Christmas. We are away between Christmas and New Year and the New Year again, so check out our videos coming up from them. If you have enjoyed this video, please do consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. Your support is very much appreciated. And join us next time in our next video as we go away between Christmas and New Year. Many thanks for watching and take care.